severe thunderstorm warning for central Tuella County in northern Utah until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Clive, Oregon, 27 miles northwest of Dugway English Village, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dell, Skull Valley, and Clive. This includes Interstate 80 in Utah between mile markers 55 and 77. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: Tuella, Utah,